girl, I am Shaniqua, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna show you the perfect way to put on your lashes. It's effortless, easy, and I'm telling you, it'll change your entire life. So before you go any further, make sure you subscribe and keep watching. All right, y'all. So this video is long overdue. I'm gonna show you how I apply my lash. Now, this is a disclaimer, right? No one has ever taught me how to apply lashes. I started out just trial and error, like maybe 4 years ago. And prior to that, I would try to just put on lashes, but sometimes they'd be hanging off, part of the glue. It was bad. It was just bad. So I literally told myself, I'm gonna learn how to do this. Basically, just started putting them on. Then I'm like, okay, this ain't right, this ain't right, this ain't right. After a while, I started watching YouTube and seeing some other influencers and makeup artists and the way that they apply their lashes. So I took a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and I perfect the way that I wear my lashes. I'm gonna show you some easy tips and tricks on how to apply your lashes quick and easy, and them bad boys, they not gonna move, y'all. So today I'm wearing the Monet lashes, and this is by Blu Beaute. She sent me, and I just adore this company so much. I love supporting my melanin women. So let's get to it. So I'm taking them out the package. I'm gonna use the tweezer / applicator and grab them on the lash line out of the package because you don't want to damage the hair. And I literally line them up to my eyelid. So I'm gonna show you. Just be conscious of the size of your eyes. Everybody's eye size is different. Everybody's eye lengths are different. So what I've learned is you want to model behind how your natural lashes, where they start and where they finish. Mine start like an inch from where my inner corner is. So I line them up like I showed you, just line them up to see how long they are, and that way I kind of know what I need to cut. One thing to just be conscious of is when you put your lashes on, if they're too far over into the inner corner, they will irritate the heck out of your eyes, and you're gonna want to snatch them off throughout the day. Listen, I've been there before, and you don't want to be me, okay? I have been in the middle of a work shift, and them bad boys, I keep blinking and they keep touching and they hurting. I snatch them off. They got to go. So what I'm gonna do is show you. I'm literally just going to snap off. You see, it's hard to see. Where this last notch is, I'm going to snap this off. I go in and use the mascara throughout my lashes. The glue that I like to use is the Duo 2-in-1 brush glue. This is my technique, right? So I'm gonna use the black side to go ahead and put on the strip. Let that dry for about 30 seconds to a minute. So then I take the white side and I just brush it across the top of my lash line. Exactly where the lashes are gonna be placed. Now it starts out white, but then it dries translucent. At this point, I'm gonna check my lashes to see if they're dry. I want them to be semi-tacky. I check up here. You want this to be semi-tacky. We want it to be, you know, pretty sticky, but you don't want it to be too gooey where it makes your lashes slide. So then I go ahead and take my applicator again, literally. I like to stretch my eye out so that I can really see where I'm putting it on and make sure it's placed the right way. And that's it. It's on. After that, I take my hand and clamp the falsie together with my natural lash. No discomfort, you're able to blink, you're able to see, which is most important. It's not sticking to your eyelid. Mainly where you want it exactly to be is right on top of your natural lash. So you want them to clamp together to look as natural as possible. You don't want them on the eyelid where when you blink your eye, you can see. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna show you another method that I use. I'm going to use my hand. You can either do whatever makes you comfortable, but I tend to do both methods because it's easier for me to place the right lash always because I'm right-handed. Now, it's harder for me to place the left lash because I'm bringing my right hand over where, like, you know, the better view is on my face, and I'm trying real hard to like reach over and get that lash on. So for me, using my hand is better for me to clamp it on. But I'm gonna do the same. Cutting it, I already applied mascara, and I'll apply the glue. Sometimes it's easier to use your hand because you can actually feel exactly where you're putting the lashes on. And it can be an easier application process. Now like I always say, there's no right or wrong way to put on your lashes. It's your prerogative, they're your eyes. So just follow whatever method works for you. And voila, here you go. This is my perfect lash application, and I hope that this is super helpful for you and that you have so much success with applying your own lashes now. So if you love this video, first and foremost, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And just let me know how you felt about it. Let me know if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you in the comments below. I'll also leave the deets of the lashes. And be sure to go to my social media, my IG and my Facebook, which is also below, and come show me some love and I'll show you some back. All right, guys, as always, till next time, I love you so much. Mwah.